Okay, this video is on how to clean the magazine, the RAP4. So first of all, get on one side. You got 3 holes here. Get a knife. Jam it right in here. Lift up to expose the nut. Screw, I'm sorry. Do it for all 3. Set it aside. There we go. Undo that. Undo that. Undo that. Set aside. Now you can lift it up. Voila. Open it up. Clean out all the inside. Now, to reassemble, gotta line this up right here. See the spring? Take out the collar. Put it back in here. Before I do that, let's clean the collar. So, take this part, unscrew it, and it unscrews right there. That part and the spring. And you got this part. Now in here, you've got 6 little ball bearings in there. Pull it off. Make sure you clean it, oil it up. The ball bearings will stick inside there in the hole. Push it up again. Hold it in place. Put in the spring. And then screw it back in together. And if you ever get paint in there, make sure you clean it very good, or it will start rusting. Even the ball bearings, they're not stainless steel. They will rust, and then the color thing here will let all the balls fly because the ball bearings are stuck in there because all rusted in place. Put the color in there. Put that in there. Just like that. Now there's 2 ways to do this. Let's do the first one, which I like. Right there. Get something hard. Put the box mag, or my magazine right here. Put it right on top. And just pull it in place. That works for me. Another fellow showed me. Said you do it the other way around. Start at this end. And it still works. Turn around. Screw it in place. Press this in. Do it for the rest too, and there you go. It's done.